Hello there, my friends. Yeah, Waterfly sent me this great backpack, and I just wanted to show you this. I just unboxed it. So, you got all kinds of cool stuff here. So, basically, you got a pocket in the front with a zipper right here. That's the front. And you got a front pouch here. It's got this kind of mesh right here where you can put, like, battery chargers, pens, pencils, that kind of stuff. If you're using it for the classroom. It's got a waterproof pocket, which is really cool. The zipper's in the back of the bag with a waterproof pocket. So you can throw your cell phone in there. You can be like getting a little bit wet somewhere. You got to cross a stream or something. You're afraid it's going to fall out of the boat, canoe or something like that. Then you got a big spacious main area too in here. And here, I'm going to use it for, my channel, I do a lot of Dungeons and Dragons stuff, so we're going to load some D&D books in here and see if this thing's really lightweight. So we got to see how durable this is. It's pretty good. All right, let's zip this up and see if it's comfortable. Alright, so there's really not too much padding in the straps, but it's very lightweight. There's a little clip here you can put your bottle on there or something. Oh, and it does have two places for water bottles on the side, which I always like. I like using these in the water bottle. It does have this nice clip in the front, which I like, because then you don't have to be doing this all the time with your straps, Anyway, what do you guys think? Put it in the comments below, but yeah, I like it so far. Of course, Waterfly did send me this for free, so I'm, showing you guys in case you want one. Use the affiliate link in the description box. Get me a little bit of help. And yeah, it looks like this is going to hold up pretty well. Of course, I will definitely keep track of this and let you know as I use it how it holds up. Keep in touch through the comments. Great to see everybody out there. Hope you guys have a good one. See you on the next video. Take care. Thank you, Waterfly.